Okay, shapes and polygons. So what are shapes? So like the basic definition of a shape is basically anything that is confined into a 2D space. So here are some like examples that will generally give you the idea. You know, the most important ones here are the circle, the triangle, the rectangle, the square, and the parallelogram. These other ones are just for fun. And the cube and the cone and the cylinder aren't really shapes, they're more volumes. They're 3D shapes, actually. So here are examples of things that aren't shapes. So you can see the basic idea is that they aren't closed off. They have a section where like it's open. So here you have this open space here, this open space here, these 3 open spaces. Like you can just get the basic idea. So there are generally like different ways to classify shapes. So here's some basic ones that give the basic ideas and are the ones used most in classes. Polygons, convex, concave, and equilaterals. So these are polygons. Basically, a polygon is just a number of straight lines connected together to form an enclosed 2D area. So these are basically just shapes with only straight lines. And here are the basic classifications for some. Triangle, three sides, quadrilateral, 4 sides, and etc. All the way up to a decagon, which is 12 sides. So there's different ways to other different ways to classify, which are convex and concave shapes. So basically, convex and concave shapes, in terms of mathematics, a convex shape is basically one that has no interior angles greater than 180. We'll see an example of this in the next slide, but basically all of its parts point outwards, and none of the parts point inwards. While a concave shape has one or more interior angle greater than 180, and one of the parts point inward. So we can see here that this angle is greater than 180, and therefore it's a concave shape. Also, you can tell that the point is pointing inwards rather than pointing outwards in this one. And you can see that none of the interior angles here is greater than 180. So you can tell that this is a convex shape. Thank you.